So good evening everybody, this side Khushi from Lexis and Company. Today we will discuss that how to protect ourselves and our family with the false case of 498A, which is dowry cases. So we will discuss today. First of all, we will discuss that what is 498A. 498A is a section of IPC 1860, deals with the violence of a woman is subjected to post her marriage by her husband or in-laws by the or any other relatives. Okay, so basically this was introduced in 1983 to protect the married woman from harassment of dowry related. As you know that the dowry related पहले बहुत ज़्यादा harassment होती थी, basically dowry deaths भी होती थी. Okay, so this section only brought up for that reason. Okay, and what does mean the cruelty का मतलब क्या होता है? Cruelty, first of all, as we have discussed in the last video also, that cruelty is a three type of cruelties here, because the new terms which is financial cruelty has also emerged by the Supreme Court. So the cruelty is means a willful conduct of or a behavior which is such nature that it compels a married woman to commit suicide or to cause grave injury to her herself or poses a danger to her life. Okay, तो ये बेसिकली एक क्रुएल्टी का आप ये समझ सकते हैं कि मेंटल भी होती है, फिजिकल होती है, फाइनेंशियल होती है, जिसमें एक वाइफ टोटली डिपेंड हो जाती है अपने हस्बैंड पे फॉर द few amount of the daily living amount you can say. Okay, so the punishment क्या होती है 498 में? कह सकते हैं कि 3 साल की punishment होती है, which can be extend also, and fine इसमें जो माना जाता है. Okay, सो अब वी विल ना, जैसे देखिए इसमें मिसयूज़ क्या होता है. 498 का मिसयूज़ एक्चुअली इतना ज़्यादा हो गया है दैट कोर्ट ऑल्सो अंडरस्टूड दैट नाउ. सो द सेक्शन 498 वॉज ब्रॉट अप इनटू द फोर्स बाय द लॉ मेकर टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ अ मैरिड वुमेन एंड ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट टू दैम फ्रॉम cruelty in their matrimonial life. Okay, so the Supreme Court India has given a second name to the section, which is legal terrorism. You can understand the term that Supreme Court is, if it is given by the Supreme Court, so how misuse, how this section has been misused. So it was acknowledged that the misuse of the very law was done by the urban and educated women for their selfish needs. This is the terms which is quoted by the Supreme Court, not by me. Okay, so basically this was the interpretation of the court regarding the 498A cases. Okay, so now you will see that how you can protect you and your family. First of all, जब भी ये मैटर आता है तो सबसे पहले इस मैटर को भेजा जाता है CAW में, विच इज़ क्राइम अगेंस्ट वुमेन, मैरिड वुमेन यू कैन से. तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, एक दोनों पार्टीज़ को बुलाया जाता है कंसाइल करने के लिए. दोनों जब कंसाइलेशन अगर नहीं होता है तो उसमें एक जो जुरिडिक्शन में जो यू कैन से पुलिस स्टेशन लगता है, वहाँ पे जाके उस पुलिस स्टेशन में इसकी FIR लॉज होती है एंड देन दिस मैटर कम्स टू पुलिस बाय द कोर्ट में आ जाता है. ठीक है, बेसिकली. सो उसके बाद क्या होता है ना कि जब आपकी फैमिली में जिसमें क्या होता है, आपके इन लॉज आ जाते हैं, मदर इन लॉ, फादर इन लॉ, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, एवरी रिलेटेड टू दैट इंसिडेंट, एवरी वन हैज़ टू कम इन द पिक्चर. सो दिस इज़ वेरी, you can say, very emotionally damaged or financially you can say or mentally this impacts a lot. So to protect yourself by this, you first of all after जब FIR हो जाती है, you can go to the court for the anticipatory bail. For the first thing which you need to do that in that. Okay, a counter lawsuit can be filed which is man under section 500, which is defamation of the IPC. So basically this was the step you can take. Or a case under the criminal conspiracy you can file against a wife that she has done these kind of things. और सेक्शन 191 गिविंग फॉल्स एविडेंस ऑफ, यानी कि आप इसकी सबसे पहली चीज़ तो ये देखिए, जब भी ऐसा कोई केस फाइल होता है, फर्स्ट थिंग विच यू नीड टू डू दैट यू नीड टू कलेक्ट द एविडेंसेस दैट you did not ask for the dowry or you did not treated her as an cruelty manner. So these kind of evidence you need to collect, and then you first and the basic thing for the family and for yourself, you must go to the court for the anticipatory bail and false counter case against her, which is 120B, which is criminal conspiracy, 191, which is false evidence, and as I told you, 500 section 500, which is defamation. That these kind of false charges, which is, you can say, the manhani cases, you can do that. Okay, so this was all about this video. So as I have discussed the very you can say the touching topic today, so in the next video we will discuss a good topic. So this was end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.